Hey, something different this time. We song recorded by Cat Stevens, father and son. It's not time to make a change. Just relax and take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to know. But find a girl and settle down. If you want to, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. 'Cause I was once like you are now. And I know that it's not easy to become when you found there's something going on. But take your time and think a lot. Just think of everything you've got, 'cause you will still be here tomorrow, but your dreams may not. How can I try to explain? When I do, he turns away again. It's always been the same old story. And from the moment I could talk, I was ordered to listen. Now there's a way, and I know that I have to go away. I know I have to go. But it's not time to make a change. Just sit down and take it slowly. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to go through. But find a girl, settle down. If you want to, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. All the times that I've cried, keeping all the things I knew inside. It's hard, but it's harder to ignore it. If they were right, then I'd agree. But it's them, they know, not me. Now there's the way, and I know that I have to go away. I know I have to go. God bless and stay safe, please.